Is it time for you to reconnect with your home? Has your life, your kids, your travel left you with no time for your home? If a lack of time has left you buried under housework and you dream of a fresh start through the gift of a spotless home, this month's guest is your solution. Lovingly described as bringing your home to the dentist, she can uncover what you love most in your home. Welcome, Rachel Anderson.
Thank you for having me. My name is Rachel Anderson, and I am the owner and lead cleaner at Clean Dreams Nashville.
So you run Clean Dreams.
Yes.
And you are a deep cleaning company. So tell me how that is different than just like a traditional housekeeper. What do you do differently?
Yeah, so a lot of our clients actually have housekeepers and we encourage it. I think that both are necessary. And I think that our service is, it's like going to the dentist. Do you brush your teeth? Right? Do you
Yes,
floss?
every day.
Yes, okay, good. But when you go to the dentist, you're looking for those deeper crevices, you're looking for the plaque that's built up. That's the only real comparison I have. You have to do both.
And I can't clean my teeth like a dentist will clean my teeth.
No.
And so let's say you've got a 5,000 square foot house. How long does that take to really like get in there and clean it?
Yeah, so 5,000 square feet is actually pretty big for us. We've grown from doing, very small houses to now covering a lot bigger ones, and we've realized that we need a couple days to do anything above like 3,000, 3,500 square feet. So we do it over 2 days. Usually we split it up like main floor, top floor, and the family can sort of switch where they're hanging out.
And what kind of things do you like get into and clean that maybe people don't even think about?
I think that every time I clean a house, I'm adding something else to like my crazy list of things that I want to do. But a few things that I feel like I started noticing towards the beginning were the toe kicks. I don't know if you know what those are as a real estate agent.
On stairs?
They can also be in the kitchen underneath the cabinet. So the splatter that hits up on those is epic. The dust that collects under there is crazy. So we really do get every single corner of your house, and I lie on the floor and I clean toe kicks.
That's amazing. I bet it just sparkles when you're done.
Yes, it does, for sure.
Something that really struck me when I was sort of investigating your business is the emotional side. You talk about really helping people reconnect with their home. So tell me more about that.
A lot of our clients are just, they want to get their home deep cleaned once or twice a year. But then we also have a section of our clients that really need help. And it's just really hard to take on such a big project as deep cleaning your own home. So I'd say that those are the core of our clientele, families with young kids, golden retrievers, dogs that make a big mess, and they just need a fresh start.
So I imagine that for people getting ready to prep their home for sale, they've lived there forever and now they're having to look at their home with some fresh eyes. Do you work with people to get their homes ready to sell?
Yeah, with enough lead time, we can schedule clients for that. We're scheduling about 3 months out now. So if you know, hey, in the fall, I'm gonna put my house on the market, you can always schedule us. We've even cleaned homes before for people that are gonna put their homes on the market and then they decide not to.
Oh, yeah, because they're like, I love my home again. Yes. I don't need to sell it.
Yes.
Can you tell us a little bit about your team, your process, kind of like what a day looks like for you?
Yeah, so on my end, it's a lot of project management. We can't just go into a house and start cleaning and hope for the best. We have a pretty meticulous, thorough way that we move through homes. We divide up, we take it top to bottom, left to right, and try to cover everything within a space before moving on to the next section of the home. There's a lot of steps to the process. There's a lot of trial and error. We have to see how the house responds to our efforts. Everyone's paint is different. Everyone's dirt is different. I feel like it's a very complex process. It's not so simple as like vacuuming a mop.
You're really getting to know the house and then getting in there.
Yes.
So every month we ask our word of mouth guests who they think everyone should know about. So who would your word of mouth Nashville be?
My word of mouth Nashville is Betsy Tucker with Type A Lifestyle. She's a organizer. She's been doing this for about 4 years now, and she's actually mentored me a lot through the process because there's a lot of similarities in cleaning and organization. And not only is, I think she's the best in the biz, she treats her staff well, she treats her clients with a lot of transparency and respect. And I just, I really admire her as a business owner. So
that's amazing.
Definitely
and
Type
I
A.
love her name, Type A Lifestyle.
Yes, I relate.
Kind of encapsulates it.
Yes.
and most importantly, what is the best way for our clients to find you?
You can reach out to me on Instagram. Our handle is @CleanDreamsNashville. You can also shoot me an email, which is rachel@cleandreamsnashville.com.
I really can't thank you enough for being here and sharing your story. I think it's super unique and you offer an invaluable service.
Thank you so much.